Hello everybody! So, Coach Will, Clemens Polynesian Warrior Nation. What's up? Today we're gonna make umu. We're making umu right now. As you can see, the fire is already on. We already scraped the breadfruit. We already peeled the bananas. We already scraped the taro. Now we're making pepe, or what we call coconut milk with coconut, fresh from a tree. We're gonna use this to put in the palusami, and also we're gonna make a special little treat today. We're gonna try out the breadfruit and put it in some sugar, and I'm gonna use a hot rock to burn it over the coconut milk and burn it over sugar. So we're gonna make kaufolo. So check it out. We'll come back to you guys in a little bit, but let me show you how you get the coconut milk fresh from the coconut tree. So we use the scraper to scrape this out, and then we use what we call a kawanga in Samoan. And you say coconut milk. Oh, look at that. Fresh from the coconut tree. Woo! So good, huh? Yep, that's right. So, best milk for cooking. Not necessarily good for drinking straight, as it might give you the runs. But yeah, it's very good for making food, cooking food, and all that good stuff. No, very good for your skin. All right, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're gonna cook the breadfruit on the umu right now, and we're gonna use this to make our ulukungu, and we're gonna try kaufolo as well. We'll see how it goes. All right. All right, everybody. So we've got the breadfruit. See here, it's all cooked. So we just gotta peel off these black stuff. And we've got that nice ulukungu in there.
Yeah, the best food.
So good. Add some coconut milk, and you're good to go. By the way, this is the best bread for your health. Bread, fruit, from the tree, not from the store. All right.
Natural.
I'll show you guys a little bit of what we do with this. So Jojo's gonna film how we're gonna make the pausi. We actually have, or the kaufolo. We actually have to mash it. All right, here we go. So we take all the inside out. There's a little thing inside. It's called a fungi in Samoan. This stuff is really hot. So next time, maybe we should get some gloves, man. Nah, it's alright. Samoan style. No need gloves. Burn the hand. Yeah. Woo. Oh, not too. Whoa. You're supposed to burn it. Not dump it in the oil. Slow. You don't want sugar inside the. Slow. Yeah, come on. And so what's the price?
Kaufolo.
All right, so here it is, kaufolo with bread from the tree. Come on over, Joe. We'll show you guys how good it looks. Man, Ty, how's it? Oh, so good. See, this is all breadfruit. It's so good. Tastes just like bread, but it's better for you. Wait,
You want to eat?
what's up?
Come eat.
We'll eat it for you. You guys.
Hey.